Do you believe sugar is magic? Ha! You don't believe me, but I'll show you right now. See? Well, in fact, we did it secretly during the editing. But sugar also has unique properties. Now I will prove it to you. But you have to watch the video till the end. So in order to perform this magic trick, we need 2 glasses of water. In one, we will dissolve half a glass of sugar, and the other will remain with pure water. In order to dissolve the sugar, we will add a little bit of warm water and just to make it, transparent in the end. So let's start with adding sugar. I said half a glass? Yeah, I guess it's more than okay. So 1/3 of a glass, and then let's add a little bit of warm water and try to dissolve the sugar. And now the process of forever stirring. I'm gonna use the stick or everything. So after an eternity later, we dissolve the sugar. You have to just have a little bit of patience. Now, let's fulfill the glass, this one, with the rest of water. And here we just add regular water. And the magic will happen when we add liquid dye. Yep, almost equally. Now let's try adding dye. I have here red and I have blue. I guess I will pick blue and let's see what happens. First we'll add in the water. And you see how the dye slowly dissolves and is distributed in the water. And then we will add it into the magic water, let's call it. What's the difference? Can you spot it? In the first glass of water, the dye dissolved through the entire depth of the glass. Now, in the dissolved water with sugar, the dye just lingers on the surface and it keeps the dye out of just immersing and getting into the water. Is it magic or sorcery? Well, not really. Water with sugar has a higher density, and because of this, the dye does not drop and does not dissolve so quickly. Well, you can watch even more videos about the fact that different liquids have different densities on our channel. Now you know another scientific experiment with which you can surprise your friends and family. So subscribe to the channel, join the Jolly Battle community. Let's be friends on social networks. And don't forget to watch our videos and be little magicians. See you next time.